Hello everyone. Today let's talk about climbing. Do you know what's climbing? Of course you do. But let's know more about it. Climbing means go up or get to the top of a mountain, a rock, or a climbing wall. So, what do you need for climbing? First, climbing helmet, harness, rope, climbing shoes, quick draw, carabiners, chalk bag, and blade device. So, how to play it? In indoor climbing, each team consists of 3 members. The climbing wall is divided into 4 equal columns. 2 players from each side compete against each other. There is a button on the top of the wall. Climb fast to hit the button first. Clicking the button enables the second player from each team to again move in other columns. Amazing, right? This is Kaavya. She's daughter of famous mountaineer and Mountain Everest summiter Anand Mali. See how she uses the equipments and how good she is in climbing. Let's see what she can do. Wow, she is awesome. Tell us if you can climb. Record a video when you're climbing and send it to us. We will share it on our YouTube channel. Climbing makes you strong and keeps you healthy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss our next video.